Capricorn Coast Landcare Group was part of the recent pilot project at Junior Landcare with Yeppoon Primary School. The project involved a being component, a doing component and a creative component. So we had a small cohort of kids. We had 15 who nominated to come and join this project, and it was about building resilience with children in response to natural disasters. There were 3 workshops and we did the actual doing part, which was designing with the children a butterfly garden and then actually building it as well. So it was very hands-on, a very practical part of the project. And the creating side of it was done by a beautiful artist, Amber. She taught the kids how to take scrap paper, mush it up, and the kids love getting their hands dirty, and then turning it into little bits of shaped paper with seeds embedded in them. And the children were learning from that the impermanence of things that we create and how nature can just turn those into a plant. When the rain comes down and melts that paper, those seeds will then sprout and create more habitat for birds and butterflies particularly. But one of the interesting aspects of the garden was that it was, before this project, just an empty bare bit of dirt, and now when we go up and look at it, it's got a wonderful little path walking through it. It's got 6 to 8 different species of native endemic plants to this area in Yeppoon that are really, really good and beneficial for butterflies. And then there was also a being component, and with being, it's focusing on mindfulness and teaching the kids how to be really present in their bodies and just leave all those concerns and those thoughts of their everyday life behind them for a little bit. And it was fascinating to watch in the first part of the project. There was a lot of giggling and nudging and winking amongst the kids as they were doing that being component, because they were, I think, all feeling a little bit uncomfortable in the space of being quiet and being looking introspectively. But by the end of the project, I even noticed the yoga therapist, Shelley, actually asked the kids if they wanted to do a little bit more yoga, and they were just dying to do it, and they were so much more focused on the feeling of just being quiet and just really focusing on their breath and their body movements and forgetting about the classroom for a little bit. Having this project run at the school was a way of building resilience in the children and teaching them ways of coping with that stress and that pressure that they might be feeling. When we were approached by Landcare Australia to do this, we leapt at the opportunity. So it was a pilot project, and it was rolled out in Townsville as well as Yeppoon, and we just feel really thrilled to have been a part of that project.